Welcome to Life with Bree. This is a open-ended channel. I would say open source. For those of people who are in coding or in Android, for that matter, know what I'm talking about. You come here whenever it's something you either want to learn or just something you want to vibe with. I'm basically here. I'm just going to be doing a lot of everything. If I don't know how to do it, I'll be learning on here. So we'll be learning together. If you know more than me, hit me up in the comments. Tell me. I'll adjust as we go along. Things I do know, I will be putting up. Anybody got any questions? I'll gladly help you out. On that note, let's take this ride. Thanks for tuning in. So basically in this video, just gonna do some sketching. We're gonna have a bunch of other things. Like we'll do car stuff and we'll do singing, even martial arts, whatever you guys want to know, whatever you guys want to do. We'll figure it out. We'll do it together. In this particular case, I'm just trying to show an easier way to sketch. A lot of people have trouble sketching. A lot of people have trouble, with basic body parts. I'm just trying to show you that sketching is as simple as using basic shapes and just proportion and stuff like that. So when you see, all right, see how I'm doing the rib cage here, and if you notice, it's a circle and then an oval and straight lines and mostly like cylinders. And as we go deeper into it, you'll see I'll make a separate video, or on how it all falls together. But this is just the first one, just to give you guys a layout sort of what's going to be going on here. And this one I wanted to draw a superhero, a woman, and nothing big, nobody in particular, just a basic one. Like I said, this is a quick sketch, just to have you guys have an understanding of what's going on and see if you like it or not. It's a dry run for me. It's my first video, so hit that like button if you like it. I'll post more. I'll definitely get into more detail as far as if you guys want to see more of this, you want to see something else, just let me know in the comments.
just running